bridging the gap between mid-range and top tier, the Samsung Galaxy A series are getting closer to what was once the definition of a flagship. Samsung pulled its punches here and there to let the S8 breathe more easily, but upon first glance the Galaxy A8 2018 looks like a compelling package at a reasonable price point. Reasonable, that is, in the universe of ever-growing prices. So, let's take a closer look. The Samsung Galaxy A8 2018 and A8 2018 are here to replace the Galaxy A5 2017 and A7 2015. That sure makes perfect sense. Let's get a few of the most important things about the Galaxy A8 2018 out of the way first. It packs an 18.5:9 ratio display for staying on top of the trends. The Galaxy A8 has a 5.6-inch Super AMOLED display with the 1080x2220 resolution. The display is trendy aspect ratio of Samsung's Infinity display. Despite using the same display, the A8 display can't really be called Infinity. Anyways, the device looks premium. The top of the phone has a noise-cancelling microphone and the SIM card slot. On the underside is a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C charging port, and in-call microphone. The left side of the phone has the volume rocker and the another SIM card slot. The right side holds the power button and loudspeaker. Flip over to the back, though, and you'll find something to like too. The fingerprint sensor has been moved to the center axis of the back, right below the camera. The Galaxy A8 2018 is equipped with a 16-megapixel rear camera with an f1.7 aperture lens. That's the same resolution as the previous generation, only with a brighter lens. It's got phase detection autofocus, but no optical stabilization. There's a trusty old single LED flash. A dual camera has made its way to the A8 2018, only it's not where you'd expect it to be. It's on the front. The Galaxy A8 2018 comes with a dual front-facing camera. It's a 16-megapixel and 8-megapixel pairing, each with an f1.9 aperture, with a fixed focus plane. There's also a brand new chipset inside, with a CPU in a novel 26-core config. The Galaxy A8 2018 is powered by Samsung's own Exynos 7885. The CPU configuration, and it's one we haven't seen before. The processor consists of 2 powerful cores clocked up to 2.2 GHz, and 6 more ticking at up to 1.6 GHz. That would be 2 Cortex-A73 cores and 6 Cortex-A53 ones. Make us surprised. The Exynos 7885 paired with 4 GB of RAM. And the storage will be 32 or 64 GB. We're not satisfied with the OS version. Oreo has been around for months, but the A8 launch on Android Nougat 7.1.1. The Galaxy A8 2018 is powered by 3000 mAh battery. The good stuff from the old models have been kept. For one, that's the IP68 certification for dust and water resistance. We've also got nothing but praise for Samsung's decision to fit in a dedicated microSD slot. There's support for Samsung Pay too. The Galaxy A8 2018 is available at 4 color: black, orchid gray, gold, and blue. The company is planning to sell the Galaxy